Decided to go back into the Asakusa Shrine. Not because I wanted to, but I met a new friend, Mark. He's a native of Tokyo. He's been living here almost all his life, so I met him online and he decided to just take me out and buy me food. How nice. So, introduce yourself, Mark.
Hello.
Say hello. Hello. What's your name?
What's up? I'm Mark Takahashi from Tokyo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, this is Mark. He's taking me around Tokyo and he bought me some food. So,
I'm going to
nice
three.
So, let's see. Tell the audience a little bit about yourself.
I'm from Tokyo and I'm 23 years old. I'm working here. I'm stuck in the office.
He's a salary man.
Yeah, salary man. So all the time working for Tokyo. So busy.
Sorry.
I like to play baseball.
Okay.
Yeah. Every weekend.
Maybe he'll play for the Chicago Cubs one day and win us another World Series, you know? Alright. Well, that's it for now. We're just gonna get out of this shrine because there's so many people, and let's see what's in store for us later on today. So we're gonna try some ice cream street bread right now, and honestly I hope that it tastes really good. I better be looking like this guy. This guy looks like this is like the best thing in the world, so I better have that reaction of when I try this sweet bread. If I don't want to be really disappointed. He probably works for this place. Don't they put ice cream in?
That's nice. With ice cream is best, right?
Oh, this is plain. It's really fluffy on the inside, but it doesn't give me that reaction like. So the street's very lively. Everybody's like day drinking out here. I kind of want to do this. Mario Kart.
What's going on?
Mario Kart. Look.
Oh yeah, you love it. Hey.
Oh. This is so dope. I really want to try Mario Kart, but I don't have an international driver's license. At Ueno right now, right behind me really, you saw Mario Kart. I wish I could go Mario Karting, but when I looked at the fine print, it said you had to have an international driver's license, and I don't have that. So, unfortunately, I can't do that for a while. Hopefully I get it, like, you know, in the coming months. So, I cannot wait to do Mario Kart here on Tokyo. We are at Ueno Park right now, and everywhere you go in Tokyo, it seems like it's just packed, and there's just no wiggle room at all. So apparently this weekend's like a sakura blossoming weekend, and as you can see, they are in full bloom. This is a goal. The next time I come back to Tokyo, these people here are just having a picnic right under the sakura trees. So definitely on the bucket list, and let's come back next time and do it. Right, Mark? We're gonna go drink under a sakura. Yeah.
Let's do that.
It's like an enjoyable time. So they're just playing video games. Everybody's drinking sake, having a great time. I kind of want to like crash their party right now. I mean, I'm sure they wouldn't mind having an American in their party group. Oh man, what an experience today. I know we were supposed to go to Harajuku. We haven't went to Harajuku, but Mark here decided to change the plans up, and that's okay. I told I had like a poll the other day on Instagram. So I'm gonna flip this right over. So you guys know I had a poll the other day on Instagram saying where should we go in Tokyo, and one of the plan was to go to Harajuku, and we haven't been to Harajuku. Mark decided to change the plans and hit up. No, that's good. We hit up Ueno Park, which is where we're at right now, to see all the blossoming going on. Huh?
How's it feel?
Ueno, it's beautiful. It's crazy because like you have this park right here, and it's more like nature focused, and then you go to the other side. That's like the hectic side of Tokyo. So it's a good balance in between right now. So I'm really enjoying it. So I appreciate the first day out. So I appreciate it. But the night's still young. We're gonna be going partying a little bit.
Yes.
I'm gonna see if I can outdrink him, because the question is right now, can I outdrink a Japanese person? Or can he outdrink the American? So
don't make it shy. So sad.
No, it's all good. So yeah, it's a great experience, but the night is still young, guys. Japanese people, they put mayonnaise on everything. This is squid right now, and he put mayonnaise on squid. So let's try it out.
Like it?
Very tender. Very tender. But I was just talking about him. I was just talking and saying that Japanese people, they put mayonnaise on everything. The other day I was trying to order pizza and there was mayonnaise, mostly mayonnaise pizza. Like, why do you guys love your mayonnaise so much?
I don't know. But
it's just like an
actually,
addiction.
I eat fried chicken with the mayonnaise.
With mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Okay. Must be a Japanese thing. You know, in Chicago, it's forbidden to put like mustard on your the hot dog. Actually, no, it's forbidden to put ketchup on your hot dog and use mustard.
No, we don't use like mayonnaise.
Yeah. In Japan, like there's more mayonnaise, like there's more mayonnaise packets than there is like ketchup packets. So that's pretty interesting. So I left Mark about 30 minutes ago. We're gonna meet him probably like in an hour or so. Right now I'm heading to the Capsule Hotel. You guys were raving about that during the poll. So I'm gonna sleep there for tonight. So basically right now we are in Shinjuku. It's a few miles away from Shibuya, the entertainment district of Japan. And a lot of youngsters come here, a lot of teenagers, young adults come here. And there's a lot to do here, and everything is just so mesmerizing. There's signs and stores, and everything's just lit up, and your eyes wander a lot. Like, I can't really focus on one particular thing right now, and I'm just like looking at everything. I want to go into every single store, but it's impossible to do. Just like that, we have found our capsule hotel. We are gonna stay here for tonight. I don't know if you're gonna see it. So yeah, 9 hours capsule hotel. This is gonna be an interesting experience. So let's head in there and see what it's all about. Hello, how are you doing? I have a reservation for Kenny. I have my residence card. Yes. Thank you. Okay, so I just got my card. I'm on floor 302, locker and unit 302. So it's not really called a room because it's not a room. It's a capsule hotel. So probably gonna meet a lot of backpackers here staying. So hopefully I meet somebody, but after I check in, I'm gonna just put my stuff back and I'm gonna go meet Mark to go to the bar. So with the capsule hotel, you get the little locker 302 and you can put your stuff in there. You know, it's pretty tiny, but I just got a little bag right there. Put my shoes right there, got some towels, and it looks like a toothbrush and everything in there. So enough room for the night. So basically it's kind of like a hostel, but more fancier, I would say. And you can, you know, wake up and brush your teeth here and, you know, do all the things you need to do. And let's see, this is shower. So the shower is right behind me. I'm gonna be very quiet because people are probably sleeping. So I'm gonna tone it down a notch. So let's check it out. Wow. There are a lot of pots in here, and I'm gonna be 303. So this is my pod right here. Oh! No! Yeah, this is my capsule hotel. Well, capsule room or what unit, whatever you want to call it. So in here you have your USB slots. You have the adjustments for the lights. You can dim it, turn it on. It's pretty hot. I wish it had air conditioner or a fan, but I am just burning. But maybe I'm just wearing my North Face. So as you can see, I can put my arms here, but I can't really extend it out. Oh man, it's burning in here. Mark's getting some Korean food. We're in Japan. Why are we getting Korean food in Japan?
Actually, I'm walking around here and I really love Korean food.
Okay.
One of my Korean friends, when I was a high school student. Yeah, he's really good Korean.
Oh, okay.
So he told me a lot of Korean culture, the K-pop.
That's why you love K-pop, and now.
Yeah, I love it.
You should move to Seoul, Korea then, alright?
Nah.
Gonna eat real quick. After that, we're probably gonna head to Izakaya. It's all you can drink for like an hour or two. So we're gonna be like triple fisting our beers tonight, and I'm gonna see if I can outdrink them because you know that's been a goal of mine to outdrink a Japanese. And then we'll check out Tokyo's nightlife.
Yeah, going to get this one. Yeah,
like a
honey
pancake?
and cheese.
Today. Oh.
It's so hot, right?
This tastes like a quesadilla, but a sweet quesadilla. I think the breading on it adds a little sweet, and they got a little bit of cheese inside, so good. I haven't had Mexican food in like 2 months, so I mean this will definitely work as a substitution for taco. So not bad. Different thing that izakaya and dame. Yeah. One's for drinking and one's for food and drinks, right?
How do you say izakaya in English? Is bar? Just bar?
I'd say 2-hour party package where you can all you can eat and well not all you can eat but like an entree and all you can drink for like 2 or 3 hours depending on how much you pay. Yes, this is not a Japanese restaurant. This is a Chinese restaurant. Alright, so this guy, he took me to a Korean restaurant earlier and now he took me to a Chinese restaurant. Am I really getting the Japanese experience right now?
This restaurant born in Japan.
It's born in Japan, but we're drinking Japanese beer, so kanpai. Alright, that's beer number 1.
This is Japanese style Chinese food restaurant.
Gotcha. So, beer number 1. This is gonna be his last beer. 1 beer only, right? More junk food, per the usual. And dumplings. And like they say in Japan, itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. Alright. And let's eat. Of course there's mayonnaise. They eat everything with mayonnaise. In the US, it's chicken, right? Back in the States we would do ketchup or barbecue sauce, but in Japan, mayonnaise all day, every day.
Lemon cock, 3 drink.
Cheers! I'm on YouTube, so say hello! Hello! What is probably magical and memorable about this night is we get a view of Tokyo Tower while we're smoking. I do not smoke, but Mark does, but this is definitely a scenery that you won't get unless you're here in Tokyo. So what a memorable night.
Did you want to go to another spot?
We're gonna go home. Alright, so I just got out of Harajuku station, that's right behind me, and right here is the biggest fashion district here in Tokyo, Japan. So it's going to be very hectic, very insane. The fashion wear is out of this world, so let's see what's back there. What's up guys, I wasn't feeling too well at Harajuku. My stomach has been hurting like since this morning and it's just been irritating me all day, so I decided to just go home. So sorry about that, but I hope you guys enjoyed the Tokyo vlog. Mark, thank you for taking me around the city, showing me Ueno, taking me out to the bars and the clubs. Great experience. I can't wait to go back to Tokyo. And what's crazy is Tokyo is only an hour and 20 minutes away, but it's extremely expensive to spend a day there. So I'll probably go there every other week, if anything. So whatever you guys want to see next, let me know. So next time, tune back. So next, thank you for watching again, and tune back next time for another vlog of Winning Without Borders. Bye.